Over there, gonna get him. You may not see it, but there's a falcon in my backyard. You don't usually see many falcons around here, so I thought I'd take a picture of it and show you guys. Because yeah. Probably already knows I'm here. Because I'm not very quiet about this. I should be quieter for my own good. It's right there in that tree, the small one. It's actually snowing there. It's snowing here again. There it is. It's beautiful, isn't it? Let's see if I can get any closer because I'm actually pretty close. See? It's getting. It knows I'm here. Getting threatened too. It's flying. Well, we'll see you later. You guys just saw the falcon. So yeah, I'll see you when we're back inside because it's cold out here. It's snowing and I'm freezing. Just kidding. It's not that cold. But I'll be back inside in a second. Because yeah, because you're awesome.